feeding time. That would be Honey Bun's butt you're seeing with her tail going. I wanted to catch the little back scratch that she does when she barks. Talk to her, Dad. Tell her what you're doing so she'll maybe get excited.
You want some food? You ready? You want some food, honey? Huh, honey bun? Here it is. Come on. You want some food, honey bun? Honey bun wants some food? What's going on, honey? Huh?
Honey Bun, are you hungry?
Honey bun.
Are you hungry, girl? Honey Bun. She says, I'm going to ignore you. I'm going to watch the food. You're one happy girl, Honey Bun. Boys, quiet. Is that good? Is that good? I'm not getting much of a picture of you, honey.
Sebastian.